Reserves. A life insurance company is issued with profits whole life policy to life aged 40 exact on 1st January 2000. Under the policy, the basic sum assured of 50,000 and attaching bonuses are payable immediately on death. Level premiums are payable annually in advance under the policy age 65 or earlier death. The company declares revisionary bonuses at the start of each year, including the first year, and the bonus entitlement of the policy is earned immediately. Given expression for the gross future random variable. Oh, sorry, okay, let's do this question only then first. When I started reading this, under the policy at the outset, defining symbols where necessary, calculate the annual premium, and on 31st December, mortality basis and so on is given to you. Okay, I have this answer over here which I'll follow. So, question 1. So, the gross, obviously please write the part number, future random variable is equals to 50,000 into 1 plus b K40. So K underscore 40 plus 1 brackets close V to the power T capital N in underscore 40. Okay, space plus initial minus I minus E plus E A due K40 plus 1. So you can see this is written as A due N, and if you remember, my shortcut for A due N was all shift B, all shift A for it's not coming, so I'll just write this. I might have not saved. A due underscore K underscore 40 plus 1 and brackets close, space. Now come down, backslash of, please see, bar shouldn't come, bar should come in the entire thing. Okay, so just make sure you have this entire thing selected, backslash bar and close. K40 plus 1 plus F V to the power T underscore 40 and minus P A due minimum of K40. So I'll not write this again. Control C, and this is minus of P, Control V, A due minimum of K40 plus 1 comma 25. Okay, so this is there as our gross future random variable. Okay, and now where we have firstly alt equals to K underscore 40 is equals to curtailed future lifetime variable. Then we have T underscore 40, which is equals to complete future lifetime of a life aged 40 exact. Alt equals to B is equals to the annual rate of simple bonus. Then we have V is equals to 1 by 1 plus I, which is equals to, where I is the rate of interest, now alt equals to capital I, initial expense, need to define all of these. Small e is equals to renewal expense to be incurred from second and subsequent years. and then alt equals to, we have F equals to the amount of claim expense, and alt equals to, we have P, the gross premium, the gross annual premium here. Okay, so these are the terms we have defined here for the usage of this. Next, part 2, we have to calculate the annual premium of this policy. So P, A due 4025, so this is no monthly or something, so for those no of this, all shift XN, but there is select here. So A due 4025 is equals to 50250 A bar underscore 40 with select, obviously, plus 1250 IA bar underscore 40, okay, plus 300 plus 25 A due 40 minus 1. Again, I don't have these saved, some of the things. You have your own shortcuts, so please use this. Again, A due 40 from the tables is this, so we'll just write this is equals to 13.290. A due 40 is equals to 15.494. Also, A bar 40 is equals to 1.06 to the power 0.5 A 40, which is equals to 1.06 to the power 0.5 into 0.12296 is equals to 0.12660, and also IA bar 40 is equals to 1.06 to the power 0.5 IA 40 which is equals to 1.06 to the power 0.5 into 3.85489, which is equal to 3.96885. Okay, therefore this gives 13.290 P is equals to 50250 into 0.12660 plus 1250 into 3.96885 plus 300 plus 25 into 14.494. Solving this, we have P is equals to 901.81. Okay, and the last part we have to calculate is the reserve. So part 3, which is the reserve, we calculate. So alt equals to, we need to calculate 10V Pro. So how will I write 10V Pro is, see please, you can simply write also 10V Pro or retrospective reserve, like this also works. Okay, there is no need of writing in equation tab, but I'll show you all, since it's I am doing this, I'll just show you all how to write this also. So I'll take this, give a space 10V and to the power Pro. Okay, this is completely optional, you can just leave this portion as normal 10V Pro also, or you can save this and keep it. Okay, 50,000 plus 13750 plus 250 A bar 50 plus 1500 IA bar underscore 50 plus 35A DD dot underscore 50 and plus minus PA and all shift. Okay, 50 20 50 15 I think, yeah, so 50 and 15. So this is there, and then we come down. So which is equals to 64,000 into 1.04 to the power 0.5 into 0.32907 plus 1500 into IA bar 50. So IA bar 50 is equals to again 1.04 to the power 0.5 into 8.55929 plus plus 35 into 17.444 minus 901.79 into 11.253, which remains all equals to 21477.560 plus 13093.196 plus 610.54 minus 10147.84, which is equals to 25033.32. Okay, so this is there how you calculate reserves. Now coming to the second question. A life insurance company issued with profits whole life insurance to a life aged 40. Attaching bonuses is equal to, this is a life insurance company, just let me check. Premiums compound. Question 13. This is which year? 2010, 2019, 2007 April. Question करिए. The life office issues with profit whole of life contracts with the sum assured payable immediately on death of the life assured. Level premiums are payable monthly in advance to age 65 or until earlier death. Then life office makes two versions of this policy. One assumed to provide simple bonuses of 4% per annum of the sum assured vesting at the end of each one, and the other to provide compound bonuses of 4% of the sum assured again vesting at the end of each policy year. The death benefit under each version does not include any bonus relating to the policy year of death. The following basis is assumed to price these contracts: mortality AM92 select, interest 4% per annum, initial expenses 300, renewal expenses 2.5% of the second and subsequent, initial 50% of the gross annual, renewal 2.5% of the second and subsequent, and claim expenses 250 at the termination of the contract. Calculate the level monthly premiums required for each version of the policy issued to a life aged 30 exact at outset for an initial sum assured of 50,000. Okay, so say question 2. I am following. First I'll write EPV of benefits is equals to 48,000 A bar underscore 30, okay, plus 2,000 I A bar underscore 30. So this is there. alt equals to 48,000 into 1.04 to the power 0.5 into 0.16116011 plus 2000 into 1.04 to the power 0.5 into 0.691644. So solving this, we get alt equals to 21944.30. So this is there. Then alt equals to EPV of premiums. This is equals to 12P and alt. We need A due X and M. So that is equals to. This is there. This is equals to 30, 35, and this is a monthly premium. So 12. Okay. So calculating this, 12P brackets 19.072 minus 11 by 24, 1 minus 689.23 divided by 3059.68. Brackets close, brackets close. So this comes down to 12 into 18.71969p. Okay. Now next, EPV of expenses and commissions. Which is equals to 300 plus 0.025 into 12P due 3512 minus P plus 0.5 into 12P plus 0.025 into plus 250 A bar underscore 30. Okay, this is there. Now next step, you just put the values to this, which is alt equals to 300 plus 0.6p into 18.7169 plus 5.95p plus 250 into 1.04 to the power 0.5 into 0.16011, which is equals to 17.1801p plus 340.82. Okay, once this is done, you can equate. So alt equals to 12 into 18.7169p is equals to 21944.30 plus 17.801p plus 340.82, which is equals to, leading to P is equals to 107.44. So this is under simple. And premiums for compound policy, they have said also to calculate the 11 monthly premiums of this insured for an individual sum of assured, and if we had to calculate for a compound one also, if it's not said in this question, but if it would be said, then how it will be, EPV of benefits will become 50,000 divided by 1.04 to the power 0.5, which is equals to 49.029.03, and equating this in this equation 12. Instead of this, just put 49029.03. You have the value of P is equals to 238.02. Okay, so this is how you do this. Thank you.